Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial of website designing. This is the sixth part of this video, and in this video we will learn some more HTML tag. So let's start the video. First of all, I have to save the file. I will take a new file and save it. I will save the file using HTML extension. I'm giving the name all tags.html. I'm giving the name all tag.html. Once the file is saved, so let me save it first. Alright, the file is saved. So today we will learn some more tag. I will write a basic format first. So first of all we will learn break tag, that is called BR tag. How break tag works, I need to copy some text. For this I will copy this text and paste it over here. Let me rearrange this text first. I will rearrange this text, and after that I will show you how break tag works. So I will start BR tag from here. You can start wherever you want to break the row. Break tag usually means break row. So I will put here BR tag. You have to put inside the paragraph, and now refresh this. Now you can see that the paragraph is break from this line. This is the break tag which break the row. This is open tag, so you no need to close this. After the break tag we will learn paragraph tag. So you have to delete this tag. For that I will write paragraph tag before hello, which will make a paragraph for web page. I will make 2 to 3 paragraph. As you can see, I have created. Let me delete the break tag first. Alright, the tag is deleted. So I will save this and refresh. Now you can see there is 2 paragraph that is made by paragraph tag. So this is how paragraph tag is work. You have to write the paragraph tag from where you want to start a paragraph and end it before ending the paragraph. So I have started paragraph from here to here, and this is another paragraph which will start from this. This is the paragraph tag usually used to make a paragraph in web page. You can clearly see that I have created 3 paragraphs by using paragraph tag. This is another paragraph which start from in this and ends in channel. This is the basic of paragraph tag. This is a pair tag, so make sure that you need to close this tag once you is open. After the paragraph tag there is I tag, which is called italic tag, which italic your text. So you can see, I will refresh here and you can see the text is italic now. This is also a pair tag, so you need to close this one. After the italic tag I will use another tag called bold tag, which commonly used to make text more stronger or bold. I will refresh and you can see the text is now bold. You can clearly see some text. I will use another bold tag inside this paragraph. Let's close this. So I will close the B tag here and save this and go to the browser and check how it works. So now you can see I have bold the text like this. This is the bold tag. After this tag there is another tag called underline tag, denoted by U tag. So I will use underline tag here and close it just front of bold tag and save and refresh. Now you can see the text is now underlined. This is called underline tag. This is clearly visible. So these are the some tags, and now there is another tag called anchor tag, denoted by A. I will write A, enter, and this is the anchor tag, and href for hyperlink. You have to give the hyperlink or your link inside the hyperlink, and this is used for give the referral of particular page or address. So here I will give my Instagram ID, mean Instagram URL, and name inside this tag Instagram. Save this and refresh. Now you can see there is an Instagram name. I will open this and you can see I have given the hyperlink for my Instagram account, but this will replace my previous page. You can clearly see it has replaced my previous page. If I want to navigate this into another page, so I have to give target for that particular address. So I will give an attribute called target over here. So you can give anything here. I will give target blank, so it will open a blank page once I open my Instagram. Refresh this and save. Now open Instagram. Now you can clearly see it has opened our new page and it not replaced the previous one. There is some network issue, I think, so it's not working. But yeah, this is all about anchor tag. So these are the some important tags which we learned today. So